Hello everyone and welcome back. Looking for a security key to lock down your online accounts? Two names always come up, Yubikey and Nitrokey. Both protect you from hackers and phishing attacks, but which one should you buy? Let's break it down. Yubikey is the big name in security keys. Made by Yubikey, it's trusted by millions and works with almost everything. The Yubikey 5 series costs around $58. You get support for all major login methods including FIDO2, one-time passwords, and smart card features. It's built tough, it's waterproof, and just works right out of the box. The catch, the code inside is closed source, so you just have to trust Yubikey, but they've earned that trust over many years. Nitrokey takes a different approach. It's fully open source, meaning anyone can check the code for security issues. The Nitrokey 3 costs about $59, so basically the same price. It supports the same login methods as Yubikey, but adds some extras like a built-in password manager and updatable firmware. It's written in Rust, a modern programming language that prevents common security bugs. Plus, it uses a security chip certified to the highest levels. Here's where they differ. Yubikey is most widely supported because it's been around longer. If you're using it with big companies like Google or Microsoft, Yubikey just works everywhere. Nitrokey is catching up fast, but some services don't recognize it yet. However, Nitrokey lets you update the firmware, while Yubikey requires buying a new key if there's a security problem. Nitrokey is also open source, which matters if you care about seeing exactly what you're running on your device. So, which one should you buy? If you want something that works everywhere with zero hassle, get Yubikey. It's a safe, proven choice. But if you care about open source software and want a key you can update and trust completely, go with Nitrokey. Both will keep your account secure. You really can't go wrong with either one. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.